Welcome everyone. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is our Monday morning affirmation meditation. This is part of my 7-day yoga challenge where we do about 15 minutes of yoga and 5 minutes of meditation. Monday morning, our affirmation is I am capable and competent. I know my worth. Please get comfortable and settled. You can do this sitting, which is what I recommend. If this doesn't work for you, you can sit in a chair or you can just lie back down. Try to close your eyes and really shrug your shoulders down and away from your ears. Find a breath rhythm that is easy to maintain and comfortable. And I won't be talking very much throughout this meditation. Rest assured that you will hear the soft sound of a bell when it's time for us to come out. And if you would like to work with the affirmation, this is a great way to stay focused and to not let your mind wander. So as you close your eyes and breathe, you can internally repeat to yourself, I am capable and competent. I know my worth. I am capable and competent. I know my worth. If you notice your thoughts wandering, try to lovingly bring them back to the present moment, either focusing on the flow of your breath or coming back to your affirmation. I am capable and competent. I know my worth. Mentally release the affirmation, coming back into your body, into this space Let's join our palms together at the front of the heart, and we'll close with the chant of Om one time. Inhale to chant, big breath in. Om. Thank you so very much for doing this 5-minute Monday morning meditation with me. Hopefully you also did the Monday morning flow, and ideally you'll be joining me again tomorrow morning for our Tuesday morning yoga and meditation practice. Thank you again.